In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Canva slides to PowerPoint in PowerPoint. We'll walk through the exact steps to get your Canva presentation into a .pptx file, open it in PowerPoint, check the formatting, make quick adjustments, and save it so it looks as close as possible to your original design. Start by opening Canva in your browser and signing in. From your home page, open the presentation you want to export. If you have many designs, use the search bar or the Projects or Recent section to find it quickly. Make sure the correct file is open on the screen before you move on. Next, download the presentation as a PowerPoint file. In the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. In the File Type dropdown, select Microsoft PowerPoint. That's PPTX. When you're ready, click Download. Canva will prepare the file, and depending on the number of slides and media, this may take a moment. The result will be a .pptx file that you can use directly in PowerPoint. Now open it in PowerPoint. Locate the downloaded .pptx file, typically in your Downloads folder, and double-click to launch it. PowerPoint will load the slides just like any other presentation. If your system asks for permission to edit, proceed so you can make changes. Once it opens, review your slides carefully for formatting changes. Pay attention to fonts, text spacing, alignments, and any missing elements. If a font used in Canva isn't installed on your computer, PowerPoint may replace it with a default font, which can shift line breaks or change spacing. Also scan for image placement, shape sizes, and any icons that may look slightly different. If something doesn't match, adjust the slides as needed. Swap in an available font that closely matches your Canva font, then tweak text boxes so lines and headings look right. Reposition images or resize them while holding Shift to keep proportions. Use PowerPoint's alignment guides to center elements and distribute objects evenly. If elements overlap, use Bring to Front or Send to Back to restore the intended layering. A quick pass through each slide usually brings everything back in line. Finally, save your PowerPoint file. Click File, then Save As, choose your preferred location, give the presentation a clear name, and save it as a .pptx. You now have a PowerPoint version of your Canva slides ready to present, share, or edit further.